Connection logging on!
Where we connect with the latest Disney games.
Nice form.
Looking stealth, Randy. Just warming up with a little Tai Chi. Now that I've become a ninja, I need to get in the zone.
He's been playing card jutsu on Club Penguin.
You finally reached ninja status?
You got that right. I hung out with Tia at her Taekwondo class, and she gave me the inside skinny on the games.
Here comes the upload.
What is this place? This is our dojo where we practice Taekwondo. Martial arts is not about how fast you get your black belt, but your lifestyle and how you choose to live your life. Being respectful and honorable, and, keeping your body healthy is what martial arts is all about. Taekwondo focuses on both mental and physical fitness. You gotta use your mind as well as your body.
Are you up for a little challenge?
Okay, now I'm really nervous. Lucky for me, she was talking about card jitsu on Club Penguin.
After you get your cards from the Club Penguin sensei in the dojo, it's time to hit the mat.
You toss out cards, always trying to pick a card to top your opponent. Once you've worked through the ranks, you can challenge the sensei.
We finally beat him and became full-fledged ninjas.
And if you're a paid member and a ninja, you can play the new game Card Jitsu Fire. You can play up to 3 other ninjas.
Tia also let me in on a little secret. She showed me how to add more cards to my online deck by using the codes on the Club Penguin Card Jitsu trading cards.
It looks like you guys both got a workout of body and mind.
See you next time when we get connected! Ha! Brought to you by Club Penguin Card Jitsu Fire.
Get Connection logging on!